Welcome to Baby Million PK, where tiny stories bring big lessons. Welcome to the forest at dawn. The sun is waking up, and so are the tiny creatures who call this place home.
Bismillah, starting the day with Allah's name.
Oh, come on. No time for that. The faster we run, the more food we find.
Side by side they traveled, though their pace was quite different. One moved with careful steps, the other ran quickly along the path. Suddenly, the sand began to tremble. An inescapable vortex was forming, threatening to pull them into the abyss.
Help! I'm slipping! I'm falling!
With time running out, Red Ant rushed forward, a heroic determination.
Hold on to this. Say Bismillah.
I didn't say Bismillah before taking the grain. That's why I fell.
It's never too late. Say it now. Allah always listens.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Red, I've learned my lesson. Rushing doesn't help. Beginning with Allah's name does. That's the secret. Whoever starts with Allah walks on the right path.
And after that day, Black Ant never began anything without saying Bismillah.
Begin with Bismillah, and you find protection, blessing, and success. The village rejoiced. Everyone learned the lesson of patience and starting with Bismillah.
Always start your work with Bismillah. It brings protection and blessings.
Day by day, the ants worked together in harmony, remembering to begin with Allah's name.
A golden sunset washed over the peaceful forest.
Red, today I understood. Rushing never helps.
Exactly, Black. Remembering Allah in everything guides us on the right path.
Thank you for watching. Remember to start everything with Bismillah. See you next time on Baby Million PK.